Love's too big for a love song. If I try to sum it up, I know I get it wrong. Sometimes if it don't sound right, I apologize, I just said it cause it rhymed. 4 chords, 3 minutes, never fit in it, so I'll just take you line by line. Ooh, I'll be writing about you for the rest of my life. Line by line by line by line, I'll be writing about you for the rest of my life. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze Guitar Lessons. This song was requested, so if you guys have other requests, please let me know in the comments. I'll be more than happy to get to them as soon as I can. I've got some other requests, so I'm working on it, all right? So be a little easy on me on that, okay? Please let me know if you have questions in the comment section and stuff. And also please hit like and subscribe because I love it when people do that, all right? So, and also I just, I want to build the community and stuff. I want to get to know you guys and stuff. So, and if you have questions about me, let me know. So, all right, let's get into it. The song is in standard tuning. It doesn't have a capo on at all. You're going to use a handful of chords. So you're mainly going to use F and C. Okay, those are the 2 chords you're going to use the most. Then the next chords that you're going to use, the second most frequently, are going to be A minor and G. It doesn't matter if you use this G or this G. I've been using this G, but it's up to you, okay? So you're going to use G, and then you'll also use E and E minor, so you'll take that off. Okay? All right, so those are the chords that you're going to use. Now I'm going to show you the strumming pattern, the chord progression for the intro and for the verses, and then for the chorus as well, and the bridge. Okay, so stick around for the bridge because it's different strumming and stuff. So that's going to be later in the video. So you start just by doing F, C, F, C. Okay, so the intro is just F, C, F, C. All right, now the strumming pattern for it is down, down, mute, down, mute, down, down, mute, down, mute. Okay, so that's what you do for the intro. Now the verse is a little bit different, very similar, but you're going to do the same thing to start until you get to A minor and G. So you're going to do, there are things is where you do F, things that I sing that I never said, that I never had the confidence to say. So when you do after sing, so you do, there are things that I sing that I is where you do C, that I never have the confidence to say. And say you do go back to F, C. Okay, so you're doing just that same strumming pattern we did for the intro right now. There are things, so you do things again as F. There are things I believe again you do where you do C, that I only figure out when I sit down. So down is where you do A minor, and you're just gonna do single strums on A minor and G. That I sit down, when I sit down and play. So play, you do G like right after play. So that line goes, there are things I believe that I only figure out when I sit down and play. So that you're just doing down, mute, okay? The truth don't scare me in a melody. So you do melody is F and C, melody. So you do melody, immortalizing my sincerity. So sincerity is where you do F, C. Then you just start over again. There are things so things is F. Every time you say things is where you do F, okay? There are things that I sing sing with that I after sing. That I is C, that I never have the confidence to say. So then say is where you can do A minor single strum, mute, G, mute, okay? Like that song about my parents. So for this part, for the pre-chorus, you could keep doing it, you could keep doing the, all right, but I don't think that's right. I think what that he does on there is he goes F, like that song about my parents that I'll never show them, and the ones about my exes. So I would just do single strums here and let it ring out, but you can mute it as well if you want. All right, about my exes that they don't deserve. Deserve is A minor. So, okay, so parents is F, exes is G, that they don't deserve. Deserve is A minor. Deserve when it comes a C, comes to you. Okay, U is F, U. I'm still trying to find the words. All right, and then you're gonna mute the after G. And then for the chorus is more of the pattern we're doing for the verse. So you're gonna do love is where you do F. Love too big for a love song. So for a love song is where you're gonna do C. For a love song, if I tried to sum it up. So you do F, C, A minor, G is how you're gonna start this, all right? Love on F. Love too big for a love song. So for a love song is a C. For a love song. If I tried is A minor. Tried to sum it up, I know I get it wrong. So you do for A minor and G. If I tried is A minor. Tried to sum it up, I know I'd get it. I'd get it is G. Get it wrong. Sometimes is F. Sometimes if it don't sound right. If it don't is where you're gonna do C. If it don't sound right. Okay, so I is A minor. I apologize, I just said it. Just said it is where you do G. Just said it cause it rhymed. Okay, just said it cause it rhymed. Four chords is F, so that's easy to remember. Four chords, let's see, 4 chords, 3 minutes. You never fit in it, so on you never fit in it, it's gonna be C. You never fit in it. And then this is where it changes, okay? So you do, so I is gonna be E, so I just take you line by line. By line is where you do A minor. So you do E, so I just take you line by line. And then you go for the ooh, okay, that part you do F, you go back to the beginning part. So the rest of it is now the beginning of the chorus. I'll be writing for you about the rest of my life. Line by line by line by line, I'll be writing about you for the rest of my life. Okay, so it's the same thing, so you end it F, C, A minor, G. So let's just walk you through it. Watch my hands. I'm not going to say the chords, but just watch my hands as I do this. I'm going to try and put this over here so you can see my chord hand a little bit more. Love too big for a love song. If I try to sum it up, I know I get it wrong. Sometimes if it don't sound right, I apologize, I just said it cause it rhymed. 4 chords, 3 minutes, never fit in it, so I'll just take you line by line. Ooh, I'll be writing about you for the rest of my life. Line by line by line by line by line by line. Okay, and then you go into the second verse. Second verse is the same as the first one. Second chorus is the same as the first one, as the first chorus. And then for the bridge, this is where the E minor comes in. Okay, so this is the part I was telling you to wait for. So I know it's complicated, and this part I would just let it ring out. I know it's complicated. Complicated is E minor. So the easy way to remember that is it's complicated because it's different here. All right, so you're doing E minor for the first time in the song. All right, E minor is uncomplicated. I know it's complicated having all. Okay, all your stuff on display. So all is going to be F, all your stuff on display. I appreciate is G, appreciate the way you make it work. Okay, it, so G is appreciate, and make it work is A minor, make it work. When it comes, so comes is C, that's easy to remember, comes to you, you is F, you, I'm still trying to find the words, trying is G. So you do E minor, F, G, A minor, C, F, G, okay? And then you go into that last chorus, all right? And then you'll just end the song on G. Line by line by line by line, I'll be writing about you for the rest of my life. All right, so that's how you play the song. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I'll get to your other requests as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. See me next time.